Welcome back to Old Rare Coins. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of most valuable top 6 quarter dollars coins. These coins is a favorite among collectors, not just for its historical significance, but also for its potential value in today's market. So let's explore what makes this coin so special and how much it's worth today. 1988 quarter dollar with a P mint mark in fine condition. How valuable is it in today's market? Let's find out. Hello everyone, we're exploring a 1988 Washington quarter, specifically the one minted in Philadelphia, marked with the P mint mark. This particular coin has caught the attention of many collectors. Why? Let's dig into its history, unique features, and most importantly, its value in today's market. The 1988 Washington quarter features the iconic profile of George Washington on the obverse, designed by John Flanagan. This design has been a staple of the quarter since 1932. The reverse until the State Quarters series began in 1999 depicted an eagle with outstretched wings. Minted in Philadelphia, indicated by the P mint mark, this 1988 quarter isn't typically considered a rare coin. Over 562 million quarters were minted in Philadelphia that year, which makes it quite common. However, what makes a coin valuable isn't just its rarity. Condition plays a huge role in determining a coin's value in the numismatic world. Coins are graded on a scale from poor to mint state. Today, we're focusing on the 1988 P quarter in fine condition. This means the coin shows moderate wear with some details worn but still visible. Fine condition, or F12 on the grading scale, suggests that while the coin has been in circulation, it's still in decent shape. Now let's talk value. For a coin to fetch a higher price, collectors look for unique features like errors or high grades. 1988 quarters can have a few interesting errors, such as misstrikes or double dies, which can significantly increase their value. However, a standard 1988 P quarter in fine condition typically doesn't have these rare errors. So how much is a 1988 P quarter in fine condition worth in today's market? Generally, these coins are valued primarily for their face value of $30,000 due to their high mintage and commonality. However, on platforms like eBay or specialized coin shops, you might see them selling for a bit more, usually between $50,000 depending on the buyer's interest. If you're lucky, you might find a buyer who values it for sentimental reasons or as part of completing a collection, which could push the price slightly higher. But for most collectors, unless the coin has a notable error or is in an exceptionally higher grade, its value remains modest. In conclusion, while the 1988 P quarter in fine condition may not be the crown jewel of your collection, it's still a piece of history and a great way to start your numismatic journey. Remember, the joy of coin collecting often lies in the stories and history behind each coin, not just their monetary value. The 1985 quarter dollar with the P mint mark in very fine condition. What makes this coin special, and more importantly, what's its value in today's market? Stick around to find out. First, let's talk a bit about the history and characteristics of the 1985 quarter dollar. This coin is part of the Washington quarter series, which has been minted since 1932 to honor the first president of the United States, George Washington. In 1985, these quarters were minted in Philadelphia, as indicated by the P mint mark. They were made primarily from copper nickel clad and feature the familiar portrait of George Washington on the obverse with the iconic eagle on the reverse. But what sets a 1985 P mint mark quarter apart in terms of value? Let's dive into the details. Several factors determine the value of a coin like the 1985 P quarter. These include its condition, rarity, demand, and any unique errors or variations it might have. Today, we're specifically looking at a 1985 P quarter in very fine VF condition. In the numismatic world, a coin in very fine condition shows moderate wear but retains all major details. It's a well-circulated coin but still quite collectible. So how much is a 1985 P mint mark quarter in very fine condition worth today? To give you an accurate answer, we need to consider recent market trends and auction results. As of mid-2024, a 1985 P quarter in very fine condition typically sells for around. While this might not sound like a fortune, it's important to remember that this is still above its face value. Moreover, coins in higher grades, such as extremely fine EF or mint state Mississippi, can fetch significantly higher prices. Why isn't the 1985 P quarter more valuable? You might ask. Well, it comes down to supply and demand. The Philadelphia Mint produced over 500 million quarters in 1985, making them relatively common. Additionally, coins in very fine condition are plentiful in circulation. which keeps their market value modest. However, there are exceptions. Certain error coins, like those with off-center strikes, double dies, or other minting mistakes, can be worth significantly more. Collectors are always on the lookout for these rarities. To sum it up, while a 1985p mint mark quarter in very fine condition may not make you rich, it's still a valuable piece of numismatic history and a great addition to any collection. Always check your coins carefully, and who knows, you might just find that rare error coin that can fetch a premium price. Change the 1980 with D mint mark Washington quarter. Could this common coin be worth more than you think? Let's find out. The Washington quarter has been a staple of American currency since 1932, featuring the iconic profile of the first president of the United States. The 1980 with D mint mark quarter, minted in Denver, is a common sight, but what makes it special and potentially valuable is its condition and a few rare varieties. First things first, let's talk about what makes a coin valuable for modern quarters like the 1980 with D mint mark. The key factors are rarity, demand, and condition. While millions of these coins were minted, very few have survived in top-notch condition. And within those, certain error varieties can fetch a higher price. Grading is crucial. A 1980 D quarter in very good condition means it shows significant wear, but all major details are clear. This isn't the highest grade, but it's better than good or fair. Let's compare a very good quarter to one in mint state. As you can see, the very good coin has noticeable wear on Washington's hair and the eagle's feathers, but details are still discernible. In mint state, the coin looks almost new with sharp details and no wear. In very good condition, these quarters typically sell for around $20 to $400, which is slightly above face value. However, if you find one with a significant mint error, like a double die or an off-center strike, the value can increase dramatically. Such error coins can fetch anywhere from $5 to $100, depending on the rarity and severity of the error. While finding a rare error coin is a bit like winning the lottery, it's always worth checking your change. Even without errors, the 1980 D quarter in excellent condition can be a neat addition to any collection. So, the next time you come across a 1980 D quarter, take a closer look. It might just be worth more than 25 cents. Happy hunting, and may you find many treasures in your pocket change. The 1995 quarter dollar with the P mint mark will explore its history, unique features, and most importantly, its value in today's market. So let's get started. The 1995 quarter dollar, part of the Washington quarter series, was minted in Philadelphia, which is indicated by the P mint mark. But what makes this coin stand out in the world of numismatics? First, a little history. The Washington quarter was first introduced in 1932 to commemorate the 200th anniversary of George Washington's birth. The design featuring Washington's profile was created by sculptor John Flanagan and has become a staple of American currency. In 1995, millions of these quarters were minted, but not all quarters are created equal. Factors such as minting errors, the condition of the coin, and rarity can significantly affect its value. When it comes to evaluating the value of the 1995 P quarter condition, key coins are graded on a scale from poor P1 to perfect uncirculated MS70. A coin in good condition typically falls into the very fine VF20 to extremely fine EF40 range. A 1995 quarter in very fine condition will show light to moderate wear on the highest points of the coin, but will still retain most of its detail. Meanwhile, an extremely fine coin will have only slight wear on the highest points and will appear sharp overall. So what's the value of a 1995 quarter with the P mint mark in today's market based on recent auctions and market trends? Here's what you can expect. As of now, a 1995 P quarter in good condition generally sells for around $30 to $400. Yes, that's right, this coin typically holds a face value unless it has exceptional qualities like a minting error. Mistakes can make a coin incredibly valuable. For example, a 1995 P quarter with an off-center strike or double die error can fetch anywhere from $50 depending on the severity and visibility of the error. In conclusion, while a 1995 quarter with the P mint mark in good condition might not make you rich, it's a charming piece of history that can be a great addition to your collection. Always check for those rare errors, and who knows, you might just have a hidden treasure in your pocket change. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, understanding the value of coins like the 1995 quarter can make the hobby even more rewarding. quarter dollars of 1977, a coin shrouded in mystery and sought after by collectors worldwide. We delve into the captivating tale of the 1977 ultra quarter dollar without a mint mark, an extraordinary find that has captured the imagination of collectors for decades. This particular quarter, minted in 1977, is distinguished by its lack of a mint mark, a characteristic that adds an air of intrigue to its already fascinating history. But what makes this coin so incredibly valuable? Let's start by examining its condition. This quarter, graded as extra fine, boasts remarkable preservation, with minimal wear and exquisite details still visible on its surface. The 1977 ultra quarter dollar, without a mint mark, in extra fine condition, represents the pinnacle of numismatic rarity. Its scarcity combined with its historical significance makes it highly coveted among collectors. Despite fluctuations in the market, the value of this exceptional coin continues to soar. Recent auctions have seen specimens similar to ours fetch prices upwards of $80,000. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your numismatic journey, the allure of the 1977 ultra quarter dollar without a mint mark is undeniable. So there you have it, folks, the story behind one of the most valuable and sought-after coins of its time. Join us next time as we uncover more hidden gems in the world of numismatics. Until then, happy collecting.